Hello everyone, myself Nidhi Chawda. So I am retrofitting the roofing system on existing Aanganwadi. So the site is located near the water body in Narurgang. The roof of Aanganwadi building is being retrofitted to enhance its structure integrity and functionality. So on site, temperature can exceed 40 Celsius. Also there is humidity due to the water body. So the main climate principle of the project is natural ventilations. So by including the cross ventilation into the design, it minimizes the heat buildup from the solar radiations, which ventilation create airflow that keep the interior cool and comfortable. So which lessens the need for air conditions so that the mechanism is open during the summer. Uh, as you can see the diagram, and can be closed in winter, which can stop the inlet of cold air. So also the natural daylighting is the main thing. So by installing the PTFE fiber coated fabric for roofing, you may maximize the amount of natural light coming in and minimize the need for artificial lighting. So it's an energy saving measure. So using the fabric which is which has a high solar reflectivity, also reduce heat gain and making it deal ideal for the hot climate. So by minimizing cooling needs, when combined with insulating materials, it's also improved the thermal performance and also maintain the stable indoor temperature and reduce the reliance on mechanical heating or cooling. So for checking this climate principle, we did the smoke test, and in the first condition I closed the mechanism and kept the lowers open for the so it's a successful air circulations happen in that first condition. And in second conditions I added the lowers and the roofing structure with pipes, also incorporating the mesh jali on both sides to enhance cross ventilation. However, after conducting smoke test, I realized the mesh alone provides sufficient cross ventilations, so making the additional lowers is unnecessary. And then, I did a case study on the curving. Before that, I did a case study on the curving block studio by Sukhchal Mukh. So that project is based on the Korea that serve as a welfare facility for employees. And the building feature a PTFE fabric tents integrated with concrete wall, so creating a unique blend of flexibility and a geometric design. So the fabric tent are double layered with a pipe structure in between, so which each module consists of 3 to 4 pipe which connect with adjustable joinery. So I incorporated this joinery technique into my own design, so at its enhance the structure's flexibility and roofing material, which also supports the natural daylighting, and it's particularly suitable for my small scale project in of Aanganwadi Narogam slums. So inspired by this system, I developed a roofing mechanism that respond effectively to Ahmedabad climate. To implement this, I retrofitted a roofing onto existing wall by adjusting the height of wall to get a uniform height. So the system is lightweight, featuring a roofing with pipe structure. So the frame consists of pipe module with a simple nut and bolt joinery that repeating all over the structure. Joinery incorporating a hydraulic pipe mechanism that allow the roof to open, which allow the cross ventilations. So as you can see in a this is how the mechanism work. Yeah. So the roof is covered with double coated fabric and it's durable lightweight, and also the weather assisted pipe module structure can be built for speedy construction by including a prefabricated standardized component. So this will allow the entire structure, roof and ventilation to be disassembled at various locations using the minimal tool and effort, and also its adjustable joinery. So also on both sides there is a polycarbonate sheet fitted so that there is no leaking problem. So in outdoor spaces there is also a shaded roofing without a mechanism for the outdoor activity. So it's for the playing for the children, so they can use for outdoor activities. So as you can see, the making hydraulic pipe system, this is how it's look. Also, so the height of roofing dome different between the main hall and kitchen, as you can see in the elevation, because of that length. So this system transforms the interior light of the Aanganwadi. So its a primary operates during the day and allowing the natural light to enter through the roofing. So the combinations of brick wall and the roofing creates a unique texture contrast. So the geometric form of the structure gives a sense of openness and also and increase the volume. Additionally, the furniture made from the lightweight pipe module, which can be used for the structure also. So it can be easily lifted and also be relocated, and all that pipe column also can be used for the display space for the children. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna look, interior space. So it's a light quality. The second one is a model of mechanism model, which is its opposite mechanism. And third one is the joinery, which is repeating all over the structure. And this is when we increase the length of room, the how the form will change. So when we see in 5 meter length, it's look like this, and 5.5. So this kind of model can be used up to 6 meter length also. So this is the hot box test. So the hot box test we had done. So the climate is a hot semi-arid. Also the temperature often exceeds to 40 Celsius, so it can lead to the uncomfortable indoor conditions, and also the higher humidity during the monsoon season. So in Aanganwadi it's also lack the air circulation. So to check the thermal insulation performance of PTFE fiber coated fabric, so we conducted the hot box testing. So the test setup involved the fitting of the panel of fabric on one side of the thermocol ice box, and the heat source on other side. Using the bulb was applied on right side, while temperature sensors were placed on both sides of the fabric panel to monitor the temperature change over the time. So the results show that when the right side temperature reached 49 Celsius, the left side temperature remained at 42.6 Celsius. So after 10 minutes maintained the 7 Celsius difference. To reach the same temperature on both the sides, it took approximately 30 to 40 minutes. So as you can see in the graph, the difference of both the side. So the blue one line is a blue one line is a left side, which is like indoor temperature, and orange one is outdoor. So this finding highlight the fabric ability to show down the heat transfer, which could be beneficial for indoor space in hot climate. providing the comfort by reducing the temperature rise within the covered space. Thank you.